Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have a really quick short video installation video today. I did receive from IAG the dome light for the rear of the Bronco. So I want to walk us through that's a fairly simple installation, and kind of show the benefits of changing out the really weak lighting on the interior of the Bronco for something a lot brighter. So we'll take a look inside, do an unboxing, do the installation, and then just wrap it up. So this should be a quick one. As most Bronco owners know, it's a pretty dark place inside the cabin of a Bronco unless you have the roof off. One of the things I did was when I was at the Bronco Invasion Wildwood, IAG was there as a vendor, and they installed these LED lights in front of the passenger seat, and over the rear seat here, as well as on the driver's side. And this definitely helped out quite a bit with adding some additional lighting inside the Bronco when you open the door or turn on the lights. The one thing we're going to work on is right there. You can probably barely see it. It's shining a little bit of light over the center rear headrest, but that's the little light that they provide in the Bronco to provide lighting for the back passengers as well as in the cargo area. So we're going to replace that with the IAG one, and let's go open that box and see what it looks like. All right, so here's the box from the IAG Dome Light. Let's see what we got inside here. So we got a support page if anyone needs to contact them for support. We got I'm assuming the instructions, which should be pretty simple. Yeah, we got the instructions for installation. And then the light itself. So as you can see, there's a lot more. We got 1, 2, I don't know if that's a light or not, but at least 3 light panels here on the IAG. And that kind of connects into where the stock light is. And then I guess it has some pieces of tape here to stick it to the cross member there, or cross beam. So yeah, let's get this installed and see how it looks within the Bronco cabin. All right, so the first step is going to be to remove the old light here. So I'm going to have my trim panel tool here and kind of shove it in here to see if I can pop it out. Let's go all the way around. That's in there pretty good. All right, it's coming out now. All right, and there's a little connector here. Just gotta remove the wiring connector. All right, just push down the tab and pull out. All right, so there goes the small one. And now we'll install the IAG Dome Light. All right, so let's install the wiring here. Should go right into this connector. There you go. Wow, that's a lot brighter. Sorry I blinded you guys. All right, so now I'm going to take off the film for the 3 pieces of double-sided tape that's on this. 1. Try not to blind the camera. 2. One more. 3. All right, so now this should just all go right back in. Let's see, get lined up and just push it up in there, and it should snap right into place. There we go. We'll push on it a little bit more so the adhesive would stick, and you can already see the difference in the lighting compared to the old one. So I'll bring the camera back around this way so you can kind of see the difference in the lighting. So back in the car, you can see the lights are on, and here's the difference on the rear light. So it's not just throwing light on the middle headrest, it's actually providing some decent light through the entire back seat, as well as the cargo area. And then you can see here the other lights that are on the driver's side. So, you know, IAG makes a great product. Definitely recommend if you want to have a little bit more light inside your Bronco, especially at night. It's kind of hard to find anything in here, or if you're out on the trail and need to grab some recovery gear out the back, it's always good to have that extra light so you can see what you need to get. And that is it for today's video. If you like this video and the content I'm putting out there, please like and subscribe. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm as I'm trying to grow my channel. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Thank you.